chocolatey recipe today. The name is Eggless chocolate mousse. Normally, we make mousse with raw eggs to give it the creamy consistency. This recipe uses cream cheese which is homemade. I have already shared the recipe earlier this week. I hope you would enjoy this recipe. This is my daughter's favorite recipe. If you like the recipe, if you like the video, please do subscribe to the channel. So with those words, let's begin.
A dessert mousse is a French dessert made with eggs and cream. I am creating an eggless version of chocolate mousse today. This recipe has 3 steps. The first step involves creating a whipped cream with sugar and cocoa powder. The second step includes whipping up of the homemade cream cheese and sugar. I have given a link for the recipe in the description down below. The third step involves mixing the first two, that is, the chocolate whipped cream as well as the whipped cream cheese. I hope this recipe really cheers you up in this lockdown. Take a metal bowl and cool it in the refrigerator for 10 minutes. Keep your fresh cream also in the refrigerator to cool. We are taking Amul fresh cream today. So now place your metal bowl over the ice bath or ice cubes and we can now start whipping our cream. We can use either an electric blender or a hand whipper. Once the cream starts thickening, we will add half a cup of confectioner sugar with 2 teaspoons of corn flour. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence to this whipped cream. Whip the cream again. If you feel that your cream is getting warm, you can keep it in the refrigerator for some time and then we can whip this cream later. We would also add half a cup of cocoa powder. So now let's whip up a good chocolate cream. Once the soft peaks are reached, we can stop whipping. We can now keep this bowl in the refrigerator while we do our step 2. So now in another clean bowl, we will take 300 grams of homemade cream cheese. Now let's start whipping this cream cheese. If this cream cheese appears melted, we can add 1 to 2 teaspoons of corn flour. You can also use soft cream cheese available in the market. To this, we will add 1/4 cup of sugar. If during any stage of your whipping, your cream becomes liquidy, we can add 1 to 2 teaspoons of corn flour. This is going to help and thicken your cream. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I have tried whipping this cream in a mixer as well, but it becomes very soft as my mixer always gets very hot. Once the cream cheese becomes nice and fluffy, it's now part for step 3. We are going to now add our chocolate cream into our cream cheese. Let's whip it up really nice. We can see these soft peaks coming through. This mixture now looks smooth, creamy, and our chocolate mousse is ready. This is our eggless version of chocolate mousse. Just keep it in refrigerator for 10 minutes. We can pipe it in glasses, small bowl or any traditional pot like I have done. This chocolate mousse can be garnished with chocolate dust, chocolate shavings, cream cheese, soft cream or any other berry that you want. This mousse needs to set in your refrigerator for 3 to 4 hours. After 3 to 4 hours, we can now enjoy this rich, chocolatey, creamy version of our eggless mousse.
Thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, please press the like button and subscribe to our channel. If you have any comments or suggestions, please do mention in the comment section below. See you next week.